Welcome. In this video, I'll show how to copy your phone number on Telegram web using your computer. This method works with the new update, and it's super easy to do. Whether you need to share your number quickly or just want to keep it saved somewhere, this guide will walk you through every step clearly. First, open your web browser and go to Telegram web. Make sure you're already logged into your account. Once Telegram loads, you'll see your list of chats, contacts, and channels just like on your phone. Now, look toward the top left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 small dots next to your profile picture. These dots are your main menu. Click on them and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Settings. This will open your Telegram account settings where you can manage your privacy, profile info, and preferences. Inside the Settings menu, look for your phone number displayed under your personal details. It should appear right below your name and profile photo. Click directly on your phone number. Once you do that, your number will open in a small detail window or highlight itself depending on your browser. Now, here's the easy part. Simply position your mouse over the number, right-click, and choose Copy. That's it, you've successfully copied your Telegram phone number from Telegram web. You can now paste it anywhere you need, like a form, a message, or your notes. This new update makes it much simpler to access and copy your own phone number without needing to switch to your mobile app. It's perfect for users who rely on Telegram web to stay connected through their computer or use it for business communication.